Hello, my name is Bhuvan Unhelkar, and in these few minutes, I'm going to share with you my view of big data. This is a amateur video recording, so please excuse me for that. If we look at the word big data, it essentially means two significant things. One is the statistical techniques that we employ in order to describe, predict, and prescribe various types of decisions. This is the analytics part of big data. On the other hand, there is the technology part, which includes NoSQL databases, Hadoop and Hadoop distributed file structure, Spark, and so on. It is important for me that these technologies and analytics provide value to business. Big data is still data, perhaps high volume, high velocity, unstructured, mixed, but it is still data. And unless it provides value to business, it is of no value itself. I find through my research, through my consulting work in the industry, and through my interactions with many people, that value from big data is the most important part of successful adoption of big data. So I have put my thoughts together in this book called Big Data Strategies for Agile Business. And I have described business value of big data through business agility. I have described agility as increased accuracy in decision making with lesser time, so faster decision making, and distributed decision making. There is a detailed framework in this book called Big Data Framework for Agile Business. It contains description of agile values, roles and responsibilities including data analyst, data scientist, chief data officer, and so on. Various modules such as data itself, granularity, context, business decision in terms of investment, enterprise architecture, business processes, quality assurance, and people and skills. I'm sure in the 2 days that you are giving me, I will be able to share with you how to adopt big data, how to use it in providing value to business. And that usage has to be a holistic usage, and how to reduce risks in big data adoption. So this is going to be a strategic workshop in which we will learn how to use analytics and how to use technologies through this adoption framework to provide value to business. I hope you find this introduction of value, and I look forward to seeing you all. Thank you very much.